So I just wanted to share with you the new Appium app which has been released for desktop, Mac and Windows. So what you need to do, you just have to go to appium.io and just click on this download Appium. So it's a new desktop interface. So it's changed from the older one. So here you can see its latest version 170 has been there, and if you're on a Mac, you can just download appium170.dmg, and once you will download and install on your Mac, you will you also have this exe file as well. So if you're using on Windows, you can obviously go with this exe file. If you're on Mac, it's DMG. So once you download and install it, and once you will open it, you will see something like this. Okay, so this interface is very simpler, as well as it gives you all kind of stuff that were previously present, plus in a simpler way. So you see there's a host and port, so it's similar that you have like 127.0.0.1, or you can leave it as 0000 as default. Port number is by default it's 4723, that was there. You also have this advanced uh, tab where you see there's general settings, iOS settings, and Android settings. So let me just give you a comparison with the older one. Let me see if I'm having the older one installed or not. Yeah, I believe so. Yep. So this is how the older interface was. So you see there doctor and inspector and Android different setting panel, Apple settings panel, iOS setting panel. We have general settings and all those things, right? Also we have a launch server button over here, but here it's different. You have your simple host and port field where you can enter. Then there is advanced where you have all your iOS and Android and general settings. Then you have a presets. Presets is nothing but, let's say I have made some changes over here, and I just wanted to save it these as some predefined settings. So you can just save it as preset. So let's say name it as test2, so that the next time you visit Appium server, you don't have to enter all those settings again. So it's kind of saving your settings. So now based on that, you can just start. It will, once you select it, it will also give you the overview of what you have given in all the setting fields. And so based on that, you can start or delete or edit as well. So for now, I'm just starting it as it is. Also you have this edit configuration where you can give your Android home and Java home if not already given in your system. So you can basically give where exactly your Android sticky setting is and where exactly the Java home is. So you can save it, those settings over here, and you can restart to make them work. Okay, so for now I'm just starting the server. So you see there is the server interface. Also you have your inspector session over here. So there are certain new changes. Let me first close this older one, and okay, so this was the same script. You don't have to change anything. Yeah, so you see there nothing has been changed. If you're working on that, it's same device name and everything, same URL, no changes in your project. Okay, so let me just run it. So I'm running it as test.ng. So you see now it's been over there. It has started. The app is different, but yeah, everything else is same. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, so now it has started. Whatever the tests were, it failed, passed, doesn't matter. It's about connecting it. So now it's connected, and once your session is connected, you can basically start the inspector session, right? So now here are certain changes. you see it is a completely different panel, and it accommodates all kind of cloud servers as well. For example, if you have taken the license for Source Labs or Test Object or Headspin or Browser Stack or Bitbar, all those kind of cloud-based device farms uh, settings is available, so you can directly connect with that those servers, and you can start doing that. Or also you have desired capabilities setting over there, where you can just, for example, let's say this was one of the settings that I was using, and you can basically define, right? So you see the in this way you can basically define. So let's say I just want to name whatever test as the desired capability. It's a kind of number, it's kind of 1 2 whatever, and you can save it, or you can just delete it. So automatically it creates the desired capability for you. Yeah, and you can save it as well. So whatever name you want to give, you can basically give it. So once you will save it, it will be again saved as save capability settings, so that next time you don't have to save it again, right? Also there's another thing attached to session. So what we did, we launched inspector, and now the session which is already running will be automatically populated over here, right? So you see in this field the session which was running. So let me just go back to here again, and or let me just tell you the session ID. So you see the session ID was started with 1699, ended with 9719. So it's the same 1699 ending with 9719. What you do, you just attach to the session. So it seems that connection to the server is gone. Let me just refresh and try again. So server connection is gone. Let me stop server, close the logs, start server again, run this test again so that the session is in place. Yeah, so this is one of the issues that you may encounter, that you are not able to attach to the session. So what you what you have to do, either increase the command line timeout or command timeout, sorry. Now start inspector session, attach to session, and it should populate over here. Let me just check. Something weird. This is let me just copy paste and let's see if it works. Couldn't connect to server. Are you sure it's running? Yes, pretty sure. So let me I just restarted it. Sometime it happens, server connection is gone. I run this project again, and oops, sorry. So the reason was I was not I haven't selected this automatic server, and I was searching over some. It was, I think, custom or source lab. Something else was selected. So yeah, this is one of the things that you guys need to know. Uh, you need to take care of basically. Just select this automatic server. It will automatically connect to this server running at your local host. Yeah, so let me just attach to the session. So now you see this. panel is also different. You see there are different uh, options over here. So for example, this is the select element. Let's say if I select this, you see entire hierarchy is available over here. Also you can previously like tap and basically you can record. There are tabs and keys, clear, ID, etc. Everything, attributes, etc. available over here. So you also have this swipe by coordinates. You have tap by coordinates. You can press the back button. You can refresh the source. You can start recording. Obviously, you can search for an element, copy XML source. So yeah, these things are uh, available in the new panel. And let me guys, just check these options. Try to connect over there, and let me know if you guys have any issues. Subscribe to my channel and be connected. And it's very easy to use. You see, entire thing is available, and this new desktop interface is really very promising. So yeah, that was all about it. uh, Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. Thank you.